himpilang DZBB AM 594 kHz ng GMA Network Incorporated. Isang commercial AM radio station na may 50,000 watts transmitting power at may paintulot sa ilalim ng station permit number BSD-0256-2024 REN 2480 na ipinagkaloob ng National Telecommunications Commission na may bisa hanggang December 31, 2027. Ang DZBB AM Studio ay nasa GMA Complex, EDSA, Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. At ang transmitter ay matatagpuan sa Barangay Panghulo o Bando, Bulacan, Republika ng Pilipinas. Ang GMA Engineering ay pinamumunuan ni Engineer Elvis B. Ancheta na may Professional Electronics Engineer number 897. Ang DZBB AM Studio at Transmitter ay nasa pangangasiwa at pangangalagang teknikal ng mga sumusunod na electronics engineers, electronics technician at first-class radio and telephone operators na pawang lisensyado ng Professional Regulation Commission at ng National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, Professional Electronics Engineer number 92. Benjamin P. Dacanay Jr., Electronics Engineer number 23028. Jose Marie C. De Guzman, Electronics Engineer number 43051. Charles Vincent M. De Lazo, Electronics Engineer number 67376. Jedidiah Joshua P. Taperla, Electronics Engineer number 72706. Abel D. Mungkal, Electronics Engineer number 69258. Kent Lawrence M. Rivera, Electronics Technician number 23079. John Eldrick R. Malaca, Electronic Technician number 30098. Javin F. Zapata, Electronics Technician number 20948. John Carlos C. Cagumbay, 97-1PNCR-20133. Joel B. Estrada, 94-1PNCR-10865. At Leandro L. Luis, 22-1PNCR-27155. Ito ang himpilang DZBB AM 594 kHz na pansamantalang winawakasan ang pagsasahimpapawid. Magandang umaga po, mga kababayan. Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Tayong magiliw,